Three Omicron cases have been detected in Telangana. Two foreign nationals have tested positive for this. The first case is of a 24-year-old woman from Kenya. The second case is of a 23-year-old from Somalia. A third case is of a 7-year-old boy on transit to Kolkata.
These two cases are from the non-risk countries. This one person belongs to Somalia, the 23 years old male, and other person is 24 years old female from the Kenya. Okay, so they came to Hyderabad through the transit flights. Okay, Qatar and Dubai. Finally, the samples has been sent for the genome sequencing and found to be positive for the Omicron variant.
3 cases of the Omicron variant being reported from samples collected at the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at Hyderabad. What we understand is that 2 of them, in fact, were foreign nationals who came from Kenya and Somalia, and they landed at the airport on the 12th of December. Subsequently, their samples were collected and they left from the airport. Last night, they tested positive for the Omicron variant, and they are now being traced. They are both said to have gone to the Toli Chowki area of Hyderabad. One of them has been identified as a 24-year-old female from, in fact, Kenya, and her father and uncle have also been put in isolation, and she has been shifted to the Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences at Gachibowli. The second individual is supposed to be a 23-year-old male from Somalia. What is interesting is that both of them have come from not at risk countries, Kenya and Somalia, and they were part of the random samples that were collected by the authorities at the airport, and this does indicate then a kind of numbers that may be there if an absolute number of samples was in fact collected at the airport. The third individual is supposed to be a 7-year-old boy who came on an international flight to Hyderabad and transited through Hyderabad and went directly to Kolkata. Last night, his samples also tested positive for Omicron, and now the authorities in West Bengal have been alerted about this positive case. What we are being told is that technically this would be counted as 2 cases in Telangana, and the third case would become a case in West Bengal, because the boy in fact did not enter Hyderabad city and only transited through the Hyderabad airport. What the authorities are now telling us is that yes, this is going to be a highly transmissible virus, and therefore people must follow COVID protocols like maintaining social distancing and using the mask as well. And the reassuring part is that so far we have found that the symptoms are mild and may not lead to those kind of severe cases. Telangana's health minister says that they are preparing in every way. In fact, they are making ready to 20 lakh some home kits as well, to try and see that people are able to get the medicines and the requirements that they need if they need to be in home isolation in case the numbers in fact go up. The second important aspect that he is pointing out is that everyone needs to get vaccinated. As of now, 97% of the population of the eligible population has got the first dose, and at least about 55% have taken both the doses, but the rest of them also need to take their second dose. And of course, Telangana is one of those states which has also been asking the center for the booster doses. As of now, the authorities here pointing out that there is no reason for panic, but certainly COVID protocols need to be followed.